I just wanted to share about my experience with Dr. Nordt and the team at OrthoVirginia. In June, I had a partial knee replacement on my knee, and as a result of that, there was some nervousness and concern about how this would go forward. To be honest, from the very beginning, from the onboarding, the information, the sharing, the scheduling, the day of, the follow-up, the PT, the release, all of it has been seamless. I was one of the first to go in for surgery, and I was at home before lunch, so worked out really well. When I was asked what were the 3 things I wanted to make sure I could do after I had my surgery. One was I wanted to be able to hike with my dog, which I hadn't been able to do for months and months because of the pain. I wanted to be able to ride a bike again, and I wanted to be able to swim again. And I'm now able to do 2 of the 3, and I'm getting ready to go for a swim. So I'm very excited about that. So I've been able to achieve the goals that I had. And I am very, very grateful for the team of Dr. Nordt and all of them at OrthoVirginia who've been able to provide such great care and provide me with the confidence I needed to ensure that this is something that's the right for me, and it's proven to be exceptionally the relief I needed for the pain that I was experiencing in my day. So thank you, Dr. Nordt, and thank you, OrthoVirginia, for your service and your kindness during this time.